Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mutton stock Kashmiri food fusion. First, select about 1 kilogram of bone-in mutton, ensuring it's fresh for the best flavor. Thoroughly wash the mutton under cold running water to remove any impurities. Next, prepare your aromatics by roughly chopping 1 large onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Also, have your whole spices ready, such as 2 black cardamoms and a 2-inch piece of cinnamon stick. Now, let's build those foundational flavors. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and garlic, sautéing them until they turn a lovely golden brown, which takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, toss in your whole spices, like 2 black cardamoms and a 2-inch cinnamon stick, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add the mutton pieces and brown them well on all sides. This is where the magic happens, extracting all that wonderful flavor. Once the mutton is browned, pour in approximately 2 liters of cold water, ensuring the mutton is fully submerged. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of turmeric powder for color and subtle flavor. Bring the entire mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 hours, skimming any foam that rises to the surface. After a long, slow simmer, your flavorful mutton stock is almost ready. Carefully strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl, separating the liquid from the solids. Discard the cooked aromatics and bones, but definitely reserve the tender mutton meat for other uses. For a Kashmiri fusion touch, you might infuse a pinch of saffron or a teaspoon of dried mint into the warm stock. This rich, aromatic stock is now perfect as a base for soups, stews, or curries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.